There is other capitals, that is Caracas, capital of Venezuela, Cuata, that is the Venezuela capital of Ecuador, La Paz, Venezuela, which is the highest capital city, that is the capital of Bolivia. Now physical features, western coastal plain, Andes, central plain and western highlands. Very few narrow plains, as plain laying between the Andes and the Pacific Ocean in the western part of the continent. Because of the Andes, there is a very narrow place is there. It extends to the length of the continent, as the Andes is from the top to north to south. Well, near Peru it is little wide. Here we can find the Atacama Desert, the coastal region to the Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn in Chile. Next is the Andes Mountain, which stretches from, it is like the Yangful Mountain, it stretches from the western part of South America from north to south. It is not one mountain range, but it has parallel ranges with basins and plateaus between them. In Spanish, the range is also referred as Andean Cordilleras. There are a number of lofty peaks. Lofty peaks means ranges are like this. So this are known as lofty peaks. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak here. Apart from that, of its height, there is this mountain is not easy but very difficult to cross. So here Uspallata Pass has been made. One of the few peaks gap that has been found in these mountains is used. Lake Titicaca is the second freshwater lake in this in the world, is found here. If there are other active volcanoes also in this mountain. Some are dormant. The active volcanoes are Mount Chimborazo, Mount Cotopaxi, Mount Camby of Ecuador. Next is the Andes. How did it get its name? Well, Andes got its name because it is the storehouse of mineral wealth. So Andes probably given because of lots of copper was found there. Anti is a Quechua word which means copper, and other minerals like gold, silver, tin is also found here. And in Spanish it is known as Cordillera de los Andes. From there it came the name Andes. It is the backbone of South America. It is in the west coast from Panama in the north to the Cape in the south. The feature is that it is the longest mountain chain and the highest mountain range after Himalaya. Its highest peak is Mount Aconcagua, which lie at the 33 degree latitude. It is another high peak of this range is Ozos, del Salado, Mount Cotopaxi and Mount Camby. Now the physical division. The northern section, the Andes branch out into three. There are three parallel ranges. The central section of is the widest. Here the Andes branch out into two ranges, which are separated by a high plateau that is in Peru and the Bolivia, called the Altiplano. The significant thing of Andes is that it is the source of a big river of South America. Many short but swift rivers are flowing down the steep western slopes into the Pacific Ocean, from which hydroelectricity has been created or made. Next comes the Central Plain, the region of lowlands. It is, as its name suggests, between the Andes in the west and the Eastern Highland in the east. A flat plain is there, from where the Amazon, Orinoco, Parana, Paraguay and Uruguay rivers flow. The Parana Paraguay, they are collectively known as La Plata river system. In the north of the Orinoco plains are referred as the Llanos, which means plains in Spanish. South of the Llanos, the Amazon lowland is there, which is known as Silvers. It is the region which is densely having equatorial forest. When we move further in the south, there we find temperate grassy plains of Argentina, which is known as Pampas, and Parana Paraguay lowlands include Gran Chaco, a vast alluvial region which is not well drained and becomes marshy when it is raining. Next come the Eastern Highlands and the Brazilian Highlands. From the Eastern Highlands, that is the Guana Island. These two highlands are separated by the Amazon River. It extends from the western part of the continent along the Atlantic coast, that is this side, Atlantic coast. You can see Atlantic coast, Guana Island. The Eastern Highlands rise steeply at the east from the Atlantic coast and it's gentler in the west, which is towards the central. Unlike the Andes, which is a Neanderthal mountain, this is a old hard rock mountain plateau. Here lies the coldest desert, that is called Patagonia Desert. Okay, and this region is between 40 degrees south to 50 degrees south in Argentina.